gonna react to this. I seen the first one, but I heard JP talking about this. Second one, I'm just curious about what it is. Now, I'm gonna react to it. Alright. I'm trying to put this thing down there. Alright. You can hear the TV. I'm just gonna pause it. It's that Korean zombie show on Netflix called We Are All Dead. I like it. Okay.
So Harlow is a ghost town.
We have a vision for this place. All it needs is young blood.
I don't want to live here. This is a chance for people to start fresh somewhere. Somewhere safe. Hey guys, you should see this.
You gotta come up.
What are you doing in our house? We really shouldn't be here.
Looks like the house.
Oh my god.
Also looks like the boy from
This is hard.
I like both of those movies.
I'm afraid your old friend's back.
Ooh.
50 years I've been waiting for this night.
He looks familiar.
Just to see him again.
Oh, that's a girl. That's a woman.
Leatherface.
Oh my god, shut up.
Looks like it's you that he wants.
I'm not gonna let him kill you.
Whatever.
Fear no evil. Fear no evil.
Oh my god, look at him. What the
Trying to
fuck?
get you canceled, bro.
Shut up. Kill him. Kill him. Take the phone. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him, honey. Get him. Oh my lord. I'm glad that he went after them with their phone. It's like, not today, honey. You ain't getting canceled. Oh, you're getting canceled. Cancel them, Leatherface. You cancel them. They're not canceling you, honey. Get them. Girlfriend. But seriously, JP was right about how he looks stupid. Seriously, it looks like he's crying. It's like, maybe that's the whole point of it. Maybe he picked up a face that was sad. Maybe that there's a point to him looking like that. But it looks like he's sad all the time. He looks like he's crying and he's like a sad little old man. But it looks decent. It looks good. And I hope they do more horror movie stuff on Netflix. And I can't wait till they redo Resident Evil. I can't wait. Cannot wait to see Leon. Oh, how you doing? Woo! Yeah. Alright. What's the rest of it? Oh, I just subscribe to him.